रोशनी रोशनी उम्मीद है तामीर दाए रोशनी उम्मीद है।
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good morning, my dear students. My dears, today I am going to teach you about heart issues, transplantation in plants and exchange of gases. Heart issues, organ transplantation. Dear students, artificial tissue and heart transplantation are advanced treatments for heart problems. However, they are opted mean selected. However, they are selected for patients with serious heart damage or when other medicines or surgeries are ineffective. Means when other medicines or surgeries are dangerous or not working properly. Heart transplantation involves the removal of damaged heart from the patient body and implanting a healthy heart. Implanting means fixing, and fixing a healthy heart from a donor. Donor is someone who gives organ or tissues, etc. And implanting or fixing a healthy heart from a donor whose heart is working but the person is clinically dead. Transportation in plants. Dear students, like humans, plants also need an adequate amount of water. Adequate mean enough amount of water, minerals, food and gases for their survival, for their sustaining of life. Dear students, for this purpose, they also have a transport system for the purpose to transport materials to their different parts. The transportation of food, water and minerals in plants is carried out by specialized structures by proper structure, and that structures are known as vascular bundles. These vascular bundles are composed of two types of tissues, that is xylem and phloem. Dear students, xylem is responsible for the transportation of water and minerals, while phloem is responsible for the transportation of food substances. Dear students, xylem tissues pull water and minerals from roots to the leaves of the plants, means from lower parts to upper part. Roots of the plants have tiny root hairs, small root hairs, hairs-like structure that allow the absorption of water. Absorption means jazab karna. That allow the absorption of water and minerals from the soil, which is a continuous process. When water is lost through the leaves by a process is known as transpiration. Transpiration is a process when water is lost through the leaves. So more water moves up in the stem through the xylem tissue, and this upward movement of water happens due to a force, and that force is called transpiration pull. Transpiration pull is a force by which the upward movement of water happens. This force means the transpiration pull helps in the movement of water in plants from roots to the leaves, means from lower part to the upper part, even if they are as tall as 100 meters. Leaves use water to make food through the process, and that process is known as photosynthesis. Prepared food and nutrients are then passed to all parts of the plant through phloem tissues. VIA means through. Phloem tissue is responsible for the transportation of prepared food and nutrients. This transportation of prepared food from leaves to other parts of the plant, from upper part to the lower parts, is called translocation. Translocation is a process by which transportation of prepared food from leaves to other parts happens. Dear students, unlike the xylem, which has one-way flow of water and minerals towards stem and leaves, the phloem has two-way flow of food, two pathway flow of food and nutrients to the stem, leaves and roots. Exchange of gases or gaseous exchange. Dear students, plants need oxygen and carbon dioxide Our plants required oxygen and carbon dioxide for the process of respiration and photosynthesis respectively. Moreover, oxygen is released as a byproduct. Byproduct mean as a result. Oxygen is released as a result of photosynthesis into the atmosphere and carbon dioxide during the process of respiration. These gases means oxygen and carbon dioxide move into and out of the plant body through small openings in leaves, and that small openings in leaves are called stomata. Its singular is stoma. Stomata also remove excess water from the plants. Dear students, in woody stems, the entire surface mean the whole surface is covered by a bark. Bark mean skin of tree or outer cover of tree. Gaseous exchange cannot occur through bark, through that outer skin. So the bark contains special pores, and that special pores are called lenticels. It means the gaseous exchange of gases in plants also take place from small pores in the stem. And these lenticels allow the gaseous exchange with the environment. Dear students, your today's assignment is from exercise question number 3 and question number 4. Question number 3 is choose the correct option, and question number 4 is write T for true and F for false statements. Stay safe, stay blessed, take care, and Khuda Hafiz.